Interesting question asked in year 2020 of JEE Advanced, previous year. There is a very interesting question, and you can read the question. That is, a football of radius capital R is kept on a hole of radius R, R is less than R, made on a plank kept horizontally. So, there is a plank kept horizontally, and there is a small hole made in the plank of radius small r, and football is kept. By taking support of that hole, you can keep comfortably a football on the horizontal platform. Now, one end of the plank is now lifted so that it gets tilted, making an angle theta from the horizontal, as you can see in the figure. The maximum value of theta, so that the football does not start rolling down the plank, satisfies which of the following option. So, this is the question. So, here in this figure, this text is being elaborated in the figure. You can see first this plane was horizontal, there is a hole of diameter 2r, that is radius is r, and a football of capital R is kept on that hole. Now, slowly and steadily this platform is lifted from the horizontal to make it a bit elevated and gradually elevated. And when we have to find a condition that at a particular angle of theta, this football is going to roll over the surface, over the platform, over the plank. So, at that condition, when there is the rolling of the football will start, we have to make a relation between that angle and the radii of football as well as of the hole. This is the situation. So, you can think it, you can first imagine it by yourself. Suppose a football is kept on a horizontal platform. Now, gradually the platform is being lifted. So, what will happen? This portion, this point of the football that is in contact with the hole, this point, you can see this point will leave first. There will be an angle, there will be a situation when this football will leave the contact starting from the front edge. This point will leave the contact first. Now, what will happen? This will leave the contact as you raise it gradually, and this football, the center of mass of the football will move up and move rightwards also, forward also, and there is a situation when this football will start rolling about this point of contact, isn't it? So, probably you have got the whole situation. Your imagination will help you to find the solution of this question. So, you just imagine and find and try to find a situation when the football will start rolling. So, you can see that a time will come when this football will leave this point of contact, and this will start pure rolling about this point of contact, rotation about this point of contact, and this point, at this point of contact there will be no slipping. So, this kind of rotation where there is no slipping between 2 points of contact is called as pure rolling. So, what will happen? Now, let us see if the forces acting on this point is obviously may be a frictional force as well as a normal direction. Also, there may be a friction force acting on this point and a normal direction, and the force of gravity, that is the weight force. So, you can see that the forces acting at this point are going to be irrelevant, because this point is going to lose the contact, and normal direction and friction are the contact forces. So, these two forces will not appear in the solution first. So, now what will happen? Center of mass of the football at this instant is shown here. Now, weight force will act downwards. Now, think of the situation when this center of mass will move rightwards, move a bit upwards also, and will come in the line of this point. You think of the situation when this center of mass will move here, and the force of gravity will pass from this point of contact. Now, before this gravitational force passes through this point, the torque of this gravitational force is anti-clockwise. So, you can see the torque is anti-clockwise. So, this is the reason the football is kept comfortably over the hole made in the platform. because the tendency of torque is anti-clockwise, and in this way the football is kept on the hole. Now, when we will lift the platform, what will happen? You can see that the center of mass gets shifted, and a situation comes when this center of mass lies in the line of point of contact. There is no torque at this instant, and as soon as this line is further elevated, this plank is further elevated, this line will go beyond this line, and when as soon as this center of mass reaches at this point such that this becomes in the right of this point of contact, the torque of this weight force will act clockwise and the toppling will occur and the pure rolling will start. So, this is the situation that you should think before doing this question. So, I hope that you must have got this whole sequence of thoughts that you have to apply it in order to solve this question. Now, let us see what will happen. So, if I make one statement that at a situation, think of the situation when there is the angle is maximum. Now, toppling is about to happen or pure rolling is about to start. What will happen? The force of gravity will pass through point of contact, isn't it? The force of gravity will pass through point of contact, right? Now, this means if I draw a figure, see carefully. Now, I am going to show the situation. In this position, you can see this is center of this sphere, this football, and this is a chord. You can see the chord, and if I drop a perpendicular, it will bisect the chord. This is a theorem you have studied in 7th class. So, and this half part is small r, and this is the radius of the football, that is capital R, right? Now, if I draw a line, that is the line of gravitational force, this is the weight force, line of weight force, and this is the point of contact about which toppling is going to occur. So, now this is the right angle triangle. See this right angle triangle and this right angle triangle. Now, if I write this angle as alpha and this angle as beta, if I write this angle as alpha and this angle is beta. So, in this right angle triangle, you can see that the angle is, this angle is 90 degree and this is alpha plus beta, you can see here, right. Now, by symmetry, if you draw a line parallel to the weight force, this is a line in the vertically downward direction, and this is the normal at the plank. So, this angle will be theta, and if this angle is theta, same angle is this beta. So, beta is equal to theta. You can see this is vertically downwards line, this is normal on the plank. So, the angle between the downward vertical and the normal and the plank is theta. By geometry you can see it. If you are preparing for advanced exam, this geometry must be very much convenient for you, must be easier for you, otherwise you cannot think of cracking IIT JEE Advanced. So, now we have a triangle. Again, if I draw this triangle for your help, for your view, you can think of a triangle that I have drawn a bit zoomed. So, this is a triangle, and I have a vertical line, that is the line of weight force. This angle is theta, by beta is equal to theta I have proved, and this angle is alpha, this is point of contact, this is weight force. What is going to happen now? If this is right angle triangle, this distance is r and this is the radius of the football. Now, if I write sine alpha plus theta, this is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, right. So, this is the situation. Now, as I have explained to you that when you will keep on increasing the angle of inclination, what will happen? This line will pass through the point of contact, will pass through the position vector about which torque is to be calculated. So, at a particular angle, when theta is going to be theta max, this alpha will equal to 0, will be equal to 0. So, this is the critical condition after which pure rolling will start. So, now putting the value on this equation, you will get your answer. So, if I put alpha is equal to 0, then sin theta max can be calculated as equal to R by capital R, which is option number A. So, this is the situation, this is the imagination that is involved in this question. As far as concepts are required for this question is the complete understanding of rotation as well as rolling. You have to be very much clear about the distinction between rolling and rotation about the fixed axis. Then you have to be able to imagine, visualize the situation that at which angle which force is going to be ignored first, and where the point of rotation, what is the point of rotation about which the football will topple. So, this is how we deal the questions of advanced IIT at JEE Advanced, and this is the level of questions that need a critical thinking, a logical thinking and a rational approach.